Hey, it's Andy from RightBlogger, and today I wanted to show you a new feature that we just added, Projects. Now, Projects is great for a few things, so let's dive right in. So you can see here, I'm already logged in. Projects over here on the left side. I already have two projects. I made a social one and then a RightBlogger one. Basically, what projects are they allow you to organize your content that you make with RightBlogger, and it also allows you to set presets. So for example, you can hit Add Project up here. And you can see here, you have all of the RightBlogger settings, the majority of them. If anything is missing that you want to see in here, definitely email us and we can probably get that added. But instead of actually writing these things over and over every time you use a RightBlogger tool, for example, language or writing style, now you can actually save it all in a preset in a project. So let me show you how it works. Let me just make a new one here. I'm just going to call it test. And I'm going to use my conversational my tone. And the target audience is bloggers. And then I'll hit add project. And you can see here I have my new project. And of course, you can edit it at any time. And here are the settings that I have. I'm going to hit cancel here. And let's go over to the paragraph tool. So I'm going to go over to the paragraph tool. And you can see now on the top right, we have a choose a project button. And we just got to click that. And we can click test, and you can see it instantly loaded our preset here. Of course, you can switch through different ones, and it'll actually instantly update there. Just keep in mind, if you write stuff in there, it might get overwritten if you change projects. So I definitely recommend picking a project before making any changes to what you're about to do. So let me just pick the new one that we just did here, test. And I'm gonna write a paragraph here. Now, Projects is great for doing the presets like I just showed you, but it also makes organizing your content a little bit easier. So I'm going to go over to the content dashboard. And you can see here after it loads that we actually have a new column for the project that you've done. So if you have multiple clients you're working on, multiple sites, multiple use cases, kind of the projects is a catch-all for that. And you can filter by project. So you can see here, I can click project and I can hit test. So now we can see every RightBlogger use that project. So it makes it a lot easier to organize all of your content and things like that. Definitely give us your feedback. We'd love to hear what you think of this feature. And you can always, of course, go to the bottom of the site and click on feedback board to give us feedback or send us an email with the contact button. We're always happy to hear from you and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. See ya.